Hello friends, I'm back with Bruce. Today we are going to make a ninja star like this. Yes? So let's get started. First our main thing is we need a square shaped paper, two of them. You can take different colors, one dark color and one light color. So now you have to bend them like this, point to point, and make them like this. You have to make it very straight line, and when you open, see there is a line over here. Now from this right side corner to and this left side corner should go over here and here like this. Let me do it till the center, and you press it. Now do it the same from this side. Like this. And now this right corner should go over here and this left corner should go over here like this, and you press from both the sides. Let me do this for this. These both are done. Next we have to turn them, and with the first one these two corners should match over here. You just bend them like this and open it so it becomes a V shape. Okay, now same for this one like this, and now open it. Now the first one, this right side part, you have to bend from the middle and it should go from up. The right side will go up. Now when you turn this becomes left and it's down. So again we have to make the right side one go up. This becomes like this. Let it open. Now for this, the right side one should go down. So and then turn it. So the left is up, and again the right one should go down like this. And flip, turn them. Turn them, so this becomes like this. Yeah. Now for this one, this up one, okay, this up one should match the down one, like this, and you press it. And for this down one, this right side down should match this left side top, like this. It is like this. So what should I keep it on? Let it be. Now, if I turn this, now for this, the up side should come down. No, not the up one. This up side should come over here, and this down side should go on the top. When you turn it, see, this becomes a triangle, but this is not a triangle. So again turn it. So this is wrong. So now we'll do it from here, this side. And now finally it becomes two triangles. Let's see for this. Yeah, this is also two triangles when you turn there. Now from here we have to bend and do like this and press and leave it. Same for this one. Bend and let it go till here and press. It becomes like this. Same we have to do with this. Bend and put it till here. Release. Now bend and put it till here and release. So it becomes like this. Now when you turn this, it becomes like this. Pick this up and put it between like this. Okay. So now same we have to do the first step. Bend this and now put it inside this and press. And then put this one inside this. So it becomes lock. Now turn this so it becomes like this. So now let's put this corner inside this one. So first I'll open it. It becomes lock because you have to tighten it from this. So I open it. Let's put it inside like this. And same for this one. This corner should go inside this like this. But this is taking too space. We'll release it and we'll do it for this side. Like this. You make in space for him and you put him in. Now there is space for here, for this one. So we'll put it. There is no difficulty in making ninja star. It becomes like this because it's not having a proper space to go. We'll release and relax it for a few seconds. Now I have put this inside this finally, and our ninja star is ready. Dun, dun, dun. It's looking so beautiful. Isn't it, Bruce? You like this ninja star? Yes? And do you know, Bruce told me an idea to make a small ninja star like this, a small one, and stick it to this ninja star like this. Yay, Bruce told me that idea. I didn't knew. Now let me show you how to do that throwing thing. let me perform with all my ninja stars. Before that, I would like to show you my ninja stars. So this is my small ninja star. Okay, and this is let's start with this. This is my blue and yellow ninja star, and on this I have stick this white ninja star like this, and this is the ninja star we recently made. Yes, so let's get started with this. So first, catch one of its corner, any corner you can take, and now spread your hand like this, and bring this bend your elbow and bring this ninja star towards your chest, and twist it like this. And when you release your hand, throw the ninja star. Woohoo! Yeah! Now let me do it with my small ninja star. Spread your hand, bend your elbow, and bring it. Woo! Yeah! Now let me do it with my blue and yellow ninja star. Wow! Yahoo! And now these two. It will be fun. Let's see this last one. Let me show you another trick to perform this. So you catch one of the corner, your hand straight, bend your elbow and let the ninja star go behind. And when you release your hand, throw the ninja star. Woo! Yeah!